Hello guys, I'm Josila, first BCA, Department of Computer Science, KCSKNC Nadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about list operation. What is list? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of four built-in data types of Python used to store collections of data. The other three are tuple, set, dictionary, or with different qualities and usage. Operations of list: retrieve, update, insert, delete, append, reverse, sort. The first one is retrieve, to get the item from the list. For example, to print the item from the list. We already create one list. Now we want to get item from the list. We can use retrieve method to get the item in the list by using index value. And the second one is update. To change the value of a specific item, refer the index number. For example, a list contain apple, orange, guava. I want to replace orange by banana by using index value in this update operation. And the next one is insert. To add an specific index, the insert method is used. For example, to insert an item in the second position, a list contain apple, banana, cherry. I want to insert orange in the index value of 1. Now I can use in insert method to insert the orange in this list. And the next one is delete, to remove item from a list. For example, in a list contain apple, banana, cherry. I want to remove banana. By using delete operation, we can delete banana in the list. And the next one is append. To add an item to the end of the list, append method is used. For example, a list contain apple, banana, cherry. I want to add orange in the last of the list. I use this append method to add the orange in the list. And the next one is reverse. To reverse the element in a list, reverse method is used. For example, a list contain apple, banana, cherry. Now I want to reverse this list. So I use this reverse method to reverse this list. And the output is cherry, banana, apple. And the last one is sort. To sort the list in ascending order. For example, a list contains a number. We can arrange this by ascending order by use this sort method. For example, number is equal to 23, 56 to 45, 15. By using sort operation, we can change this by ascending order. And the output is 2, 15, 23, 45, 56. Thank you.